Hi guys, it's Melly. I haven't seen you guys in a while. Let me see, when was the last time I posted a video? Let me check for you guys. Oh my god, so the last time I posted a video was in 2015. Literally, it's gonna be 5 years in September. So yeah, I haven't been on in a while. But I decided I was gonna cook these super easy fish tacos. Like, literally, super easy to make. There are these right here. So I was gonna cook them anyway, and I figured why not make a video so that you guys can make these super quick and easy fish tacos. They're so good, okay? Continue watching so that you could see how quick and easy these are to make. So these are the ingredients needed for the fish, or the tilapia. So to season it, you need salt, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, cumin, and black pepper. And then to make the coleslaw that goes on top, you need sour cream, a lime, about half of a purple onion or red onion, some shredded cabbage, and then for garnish, some cilantro. So my tilapia fillets have already been thawed out, so they come pre-packaged like this. All you have to do is cut it, rinse them, and then season them. So always wash your hands first before you start cooking Let me wash my hands. Alright, so my fillets are right here. I have about 7. This is just for me and my husband to eat. Honestly, I'm hoping for leftovers for tomorrow. So what you do is now you just start seasoning it with all your don't measure anything. I just sort of al tanteo, you know how the Mexican moms say. So basically just like this, like coat it generously on both sides. I like a lot of spice, so honestly I use a lot of the cayenne. And then you just do a little bit of everything, coat it on both. Now the cumin, the garlic, salt, and I'm trying not to, I'm only touching them with my left hand, honestly, not with the right hand, since I'm touching everything else with the right hand, because cross-contamination, that's gross. Wash your hands after you touch anything raw. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing for all the rest of them. Okay, so they have all been seasoned now. I'm just gonna put them to the side and I'll show you guys how to make the coleslaw. Alright guys, so what you do next is you shred a little bit of cabbage. So now you're gonna take the cabbage that you shredded and you're gonna wash it. So my mom always does this. I honestly don't know why, but she puts salt in it and she leaves it in the water for a little bit and then drains it out. And I guess that's how she washes it. So I've never really asked her why she does this. I just do it too. So now you're gonna take your purple onion and you're gonna cut about half of it in cuadritos. Okay, so here's the onion cut in cuadritos. So now I'm gonna drain out the cabbage. So now we're gonna add the onion to the cabbage. Okay, it looks like I need a bigger plate. I'm gonna change it right now because I think I should have way too much lettuce. So I did end up transferring it to a bigger plate or bowl because it was a little too much. So now you're gonna take your lime and you're gonna juice all of it in here. Then you're gonna take your sour cream. This isn't new, I've used it before, so honestly I'm just gonna use whatever's left. This is what's left of it, and just put it all in there. Okay, so now you just take your spoon and you combine all the ingredients or mix them all together. And then you set this to the side. You can just stick it in the fridge and that's it. You have your coleslaw that's gonna go on top of your fish tacos. Easy as that, it's done. Okay, so now we're gonna cook our fillets. I have my pan right here. Honestly, I love this thing. My mom gave it to me. It's called the green pan. I think she got it at Costco, but seriously, it's one of my favorites. So turn on the fire, obviously. Add oil. So obviously you're frying the fish. Just wait for the pan to get hot and the oil to get hot for a little bit. And literally all you do is 4 minutes on each side for the fillet. I do 2 fillets at a time because that's what fits on the pan. 4 minutes on each side and you're done. Okay, so now that you know your oil is hot, you take your fillets, and I put the fat part in like the center of the olla. And then I grab another one towards the fat part towards the center, and I literally just put the timer for 4 minutes, flip, and then another 4 minutes, and you're done. All right, so the 4 minutes are practically up. Now I'm just gonna flip them again with the fat part towards the middle, just like so. And then you're gonna set your timer again for another 4 minutes. Okay, so 4 minutes are done on the other side. So I'm just gonna take them. Of course, I'm gonna take them, put them on this plate. Jesus Christ. Cover them. Get your next 2. And cook these for 4 minutes. And I'm gonna do the same thing for all the rest of them. All right, so now that all your tilapia fillets have been cooked, we're gonna do my favorite part. You take a fork and you literally just like smash them up like so. I think my fire was a little too high. Honestly, I feel like I burnt them a little bit, but honestly, I'd rather them be crispy and know that they're cooked all the way through than to eat raw fish. Ew. So when you're done mashing them, it's gonna look just like this. So now you're gonna take your tortillas and you're gonna warm them up in the comal. You can fry them on the pan that you used to cook the fish if you want, but I feel like, bro, you just drench those in oil. Now you're gonna do your tortillas in oil. So yeah, no. So I'm only gonna do 2 because I'm gonna be a good wife and I'm gonna wait for my husband to get home from work so that we can eat together. So I'll eat probably 2 more after. All right, so we have the tortillas here. Now we're gonna take a little bit of that fish and just put some on the tortillas, like so. Then you're gonna get your coleslaw and you're gonna throw a little bit on top. Don't throw it, just place it. Okay. Then, like I said, you're gonna take your cilantro for garnish and just bam. And again, bam. Then you're gonna take your homemade salsa and just put some on top. And there you have it. This is the finished product. Super easy to make fish tacos. If you want more recipes like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Honestly, guys, these are so bomb. It's like literally the first time I made them, my husband fell in love. It's like one of his favorite recipes. So good.